So what's up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video. Today I am actually getting ready to go get something to eat, go wash the car because it is dirty. The M3 is, oh my gosh, M3 is filthy. Oh, this dirt. So yes, I am going to go give the M3 a wash and grab a bite to eat, or in reverse, grab a bite to eat and go wash the car. And also, I need to figure out what am I doing with these extra parts. They're just sitting here, and I have no intention of reusing them. The easiest thing to do is just put them online somewhere and put them up for sale, because that is the stock E92 M3. That is the stock exhaust for the E92 M3. These are carbon fiber parts for the E46 M3 that I had. That is the rear diffuser and a trunk. The trunk is actually already painted. I wish that did not happen. In fact, if I recall, I told them not to paint it. They painted it anyway, but that should not have gotten painted. It should have just remained carbon fiber. So that makes it a little bit more difficult to sell if you do not have a titanium silver E46 M3. So with all that said and done, I am going to try to figure out what I'm going to do with these items. Yeah, that's what I'm going to figure out. Alright, so now I just ate. Good. I'm gonna get this damn thing washed up. Son of a bitch. That's all good. Come on. So let's get this rolling. So, like I said, the talk of today is just figuring out what to do with my gear. If any of you guys are watching, living in the area or in the Midwest or whatever, and thinking you have, or you have a E46 M3 and you may want a CSL carbon fiber diffuser and or the CSL trunk, it has been painted again. It was painted titanium silver because that's what my E46 was. In fact, it's titanium silver with, I left a portion of the top of the wing exposed, so it has that carbon fiber. I thought it looked pretty good. I've decided I'm not in a hurry to get it, another E46 M3, so I can part ways with that. I don't know if the E46 chassis all the way around that truck would work for us. I don't know if it's a sedan or just a coupe or only the M3. So maybe if you have a non-M3 E46, it may work. So I'll do some homework and check that out. But so we're just riding through downtown Kenosha right now. Let me see what else I've got. Anybody want to ride on the trolley? All right, y'all can catch y'all a ride on the Kenosha, on the trolley back there. All right, so we're just taking a ride through downtown Kenosha. All right, guys. So I got out of the car so I could finish this portion of the vlog. Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that lighthouse in the background of a few pigs. What they're doing, moving logs. So you've seen that background in the pig. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to stop the vlog because I forgot that I'm trying to get to Ruth's Chris, which is where the missus took me last week. For those that do not know, my birthday was last weekend. It was Sunday, as a matter of fact, November 17th. The missus took me to Ruth's Chris for happy hour, and when I say that food was bomb, it was. So that's what I have a taste for today. I'm gonna run there, but it's only till about 5:30 till 6 o'clock. So, I mean, I'm sorry, 4:30 or 5 o'clock till 6. So it's not, it doesn't last that long. So I'm gonna have to get on out of here and get going. I'm gonna pick this back up tomorrow and actually show you guys the parts that are in the garage. So, all right, so good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I'm going to follow up on the conversation I had started about the parts that I have here in the garage. So what we have there is the rear section of the E92 M3. That is the OEM exhaust. And again, I removed it when I replaced it with the Army Tricks exhaust that you see there. If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link right up above for you to click on, and also in the description, and check that out. That was when basically the M3 transformed from what it was to what it is now, for the most part, definitely with the exhaust. So check out that exhaust video that I did down in Elmhurst, Illinois, with Bespoke Motorwork. So that's the muffler. Like I said, this is the rear deck lid or trunk for the E46 M3, and as I had mentioned earlier, it is titanium silver, and I left the carbon exposed on the lip, which I think looks pretty good. All right, and then lastly of the things I talked about yesterday is the rear diffuser. Everything looked tight, snug, and good when that went on. So again, this is not the one that was on there when the car got totaled. Neither one of these parts were on there when the car got totaled. It's just been wrapped up and stored for the length of time that I've bought it and I've owned the parts. Now, with that said, hey, if you have somebody that is looking for the parts and can use them, especially if they have the E46 M3, I've got a bunch of random parts that I will just throw in. For instance, here are the smoked turn signal lenses. These were on there, and of course I took those off. I don't think I had those on there. It may have been on there a couple of weeks after I got it. There were some reflectors, carbon fiber reflectors that I had on there, or smoke bumper reflectors that I had on there. That hold on, let me let this truck go by first. All right, guys, so I am back inside where it's a little bit warmer. So that is what I had for today in terms of those parts. So definitely, guys, let me know if there's something that interests you, or you have any feedback for that. And as I wrap this up, as I mentioned in my last video, I've got EAE merch, these t-shirts in various colors. Just jump online to teespring.com/Euro_Auto_Enthusiast and select your color, your size, order yours today. The last day to order for this campaign will be December 3rd. Teespring will close out and then they will begin printing and shipping the shirts that are out. So thank you to everyone that has made purchases already. Seems to be moving pretty well. My hope is that you have your shirts before the Christmas holidays, so it'll be kind of like a Christmas present to yourself, or maybe a great present for someone that's in your family or friend that is a car enthusiast. So definitely think about that as your stocking stuffer for for the holiday. So with all that said and done, hey, it's been great. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If you like today's content, definitely give us a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel or you have not subscribed yet and you want to, definitely hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any further content of the builds of the E92 M3, the F10 535 M Sport, and the E46 X5, and many other European cars and just cars in general. So with all that said and done, I am getting ready to get out of here. Let me take a sip of my tea. That's good stuff right there. And as always, thank you to the servicemen and women that are serving this great country, active duty military members, and my fellow veterans. Big salute to you guys. And as always, you guys take care. Have a great weekend. Be safe and keep driving.